Hello viewers, this is a armitage ceiling fan and I just happened to think about filming it because I've never had I just haven't gotten any chances in my head to do this, but now I did. Anyway, it's in decent condition. It's one of the blades have broken off, which I have right here. You can see it's stinking broken, and I'm sure it is. Things, but I'm not sure if super glue is gonna work on to put the thing back on there, like the screw, like this support on there. I'm not sure if super glue is gonna work, but it's probably not worth the time anyways. But if you put it up there, like at least I was able to make it a tri-blade. But if you put up there and put another blade up there, like raise another blade up there while holding them up there, it looks identical to a 5-blade hugger. Like as you can see here. But yeah, and right here is a scratch mark, like a crack right there, because I dropped the globe and it caused it to crack. So the globe is damaged. But I thought about replacing it. In the light, I decide not to show a lot because the monotonous yellow the globe makes, just making it look like I'm no clipping out of reality or something. But and I just find yellow white outdated. But yeah, and the pull chain here is not original. I put that on there to make it more nostalgic, even though the 3-blade thingy is just more of a modern thing. And these here are either kind of strange, not strange, the hugger the flush mount thing. Camera's not focusing, there we go. But yeah. And yeah, it's pretty good looking. And up here is those are binder clips. I'm using them as balancing clips because it was shaking the fin. I'm using these binder clips as balancing clips because on high it's been shaken real bad, and I just don't feel comfortable sitting there trying to balance it up just for a test. But overall, this is a pretty nice fan. And these are some of my childhood fans out there, and almost some of my favorite styles fans out there. But yeah, and oh, and did I mention, I don't remember, I believe this is from 2012. I'm not 100% sure on that either, but yeah, I'm gonna start it up now. It's got a fair bit of a hum to it. I don't know if that's because of how old it is, or that's because of how it's mounted, or if it's just how it naturally is. But anyway, and it's gotta not be the capacitor, because its motor's got a bit of torque to it. Watch how well this starts up. And it is drawing yeah, you can see. But yeah, you can hear I hope you can hear the difference of the hum changing on certain speeds. It's working like this, and it's spinning pretty good, and it's kind of exactly on key, and that rattling's the blades, and I can't seem to get that to stop. And anyways, and you can see that you can hear, I think And that faint clicking's not the fan. It's just something on the ceiling, I think. It really sucks that it's so out of balance. I'm not sure why. Must be the irons that are bent or something. Like, I think it must be one of the irons that are bent or something. I mean, it's not that super out of clock, but I don't know. Kind of throwing out a good breeze. You can definitely feel it. Like, I can feel kind of throwing out a good breeze. But yeah, it runs pretty fine, but just makes some noises. And now we'll drop down to medium. I've been hearing, and at my bed there's a whole bunch of racket with that hum heard real, like at the bed you can hear a whole bunch of racket with that hum really. It's quite pronounced. On medium. And of course, there's no, after using high speed, I made sure to tighten that thing here or else it's gonna be vibrating like crazy. See if we can pick up the hum. Still pushing a good breeze. But you can't feel the breeze. You can only feel the breeze whenever you go up close. But so I can sleep with the fan running and physically get away with it. Because if you sleep with it running, you could get like allergies. Now we'll drop down to low, and the hum is about as layout as this. But anyways, yeah, the hum's about lead. Oh, and now we can hear the hum. Take you right to the bed. You can hear you can also hear the light cover humming. Now I'm gonna show you the motor one. The motor hum. Go back up to medium. So, back up to medium. Just making sure you can hear the hum. Now we'll go down low again. I'll just take this off for now, because just to show you, just to demonstrate how it sounds without the cover on. You can see damage there. It's actually got a kind of slow low to it. I'm surprised it's that slow. I mean, it's not really slow, but I expected it to be faster than that. Sorry, it just won't. The camera won't stay steady when I get on the bed. Still pushing a little bit of air, not much. Alright, so now we'll go back to high and then we'll do a spin down. not much noise with without the wrap. There's not much noise without the globe on at all. Good top shot over there. One more time. Get a top shot up there. Can't see that. I don't think the air can reach that. All right, here we go, and off. And I'm gonna put this back on because I'm gonna get broken. It keeps kicking around and stuff here. And I really don't want that to happen. Okay. Oh, and also it goes backwards because it's crooked there. And yeah, you can see. So, and it now stops spinning. Okay, well, I'm just gonna decorate it with some, since it wobbles, I'm gonna decorate it with some Christmas bells in a couple of days to make it sound Christmassy when it makes noise. And once I do that, I'll do a much better video of it, and we'll show the light. I'll show with the light on next time as well. Thank you for watching, and I go out.